Look at me, hands in front. Bend your knees like this. Bend your arms a little bit. Just keep your hands in front. Just turn this way. Good job, buddy. Good job. Go ahead, sweetie. Go try just ski right onto the conveyor belt, okay? Just let your skis touch it. It's gonna pull you. We're by the conveyor belt. Like we're in like the ski school area.
Okay, scout. Okay, ready?
Don't go all the way down towards the lift. Look, I'm up on the. I have a bright yellow jacket. You can't find me. Look, I'm going up. I'm going up a conveyor belt. Do you see me? Next to the parking lot. Where are you right now? Then come down about 100 feet and make a right where the orange fence stops. Stop pulling there. Bye. Good, Juju. Push to the left. There, girl. It's okay. Put your skis downhill. Downhill. Look at me. Stop. Lay down. Lay on your butt. Put both your skis down the hill. Lift that one up. Lift this one up and put the other one underneath it. Now put them downhill. Face them that way. No, 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 no. Look at that now. Lay it back down. It's okay, honey. Give me your skis. Put them down the hill. When I say downhill, I mean downhill, okay? Like this. And now you stand up. Okay? Hold on 1 second, okay? The little boy's crying over there. Are you ready? Go ahead, kid. Juju! Juju! It's getting easier, right? I think you got this down, kid.
know how to do that. You're just.
You're like you're natural. Straight. There you go.
You don't have to.
Want Daddy to do that with you? Ah.
Use your arms to turn you.
I think you're ready for the bigger hill, don't you? Natural, man.
Maybe 45 degree angle across the hill. Remember, as you push, put your weight on the left side of the board. You can extend your right leg a little bit. Your hips to the left. On the right, left side of the
You go the same way, okay, honey? Kids are natural.
Let me get to the bottom and I can record it.
I gotta go. Go ahead, kid, go. Go ahead, Juju. I got it. That's it. Hands in front, right? Let's turn. Big, go fast. Come on. Turn this way. Piece of cake, right? Piece of cake? Jack, relax. Put your feet together. She's a natural. Let's go. I'm taking her up.
Taking her where?
Up the little sail over here. Just the little one over here. She's ready for it.
She's not ready.
Don't. Then you stay here. I'm sorry. Sorry. Go ahead, Juju. Get on. We're gonna go to the big hill next. All right.